What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Rich Nice. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Rich Nice back once again. So today, we're working on a project car. We need to change a front wheel bearing. So with all of the other talking, let's get into it. All right. So the first thing we need to do is remove our center bolt. It's a 24 millimeter 12-point socket. So make sure you have a breaker bar. All right, once you get your center bolt out, I used a 25-inch, half-inch breaker bar. Again, we used the 24 millimeter 12-point socket for it. This is what your bolt looks like. Next, we'll take off the 17 millimeter studs that hold the wheel on. So, I do that. We'll pull our wheel off, just like that. Alright, so next we're going to take our caliper off. These are 13 millimeters here. The actual bracket, when we get to it, is going to be a 21 millimeter. So I'll loosen these up and we'll be back. Again, one here, one down here. All right, sometimes when you take your caliper bolt off, you'll see that thing spinning. On this particular car, it's a 19 millimeter, so you just put a wrench on here to hold it, and it'll keep it from spinning. That way you can get the bolt out. Just like that. Take our caliper off. And we'll set it up here out of the way. For right now, we have our brake pads that will just pop out. Just like that. This is our caliper bracket. Again, these are 21 millimeter. So we'll get those out. Just like that, your caliper bracket comes off. Now we need to take this. I believe this is a T30. Could be wrong, but we'll take that out next. It is a T30, so we're going to use our trusty Milwaukee, see if we can get it out. Just like that. See out. All right. Yeah, well, y'all can see that, but there's a bolt here. There's another one up top, and then there's one on the other side that we got to get out. And I believe those are square end bolts. So let's see. Let's try this one. I got the old bearing out, which is right here. You can see the new one. It comes with new hardware. So you get your 3 bolts. You'll have to reuse the screw right here, which is a T30, and transfer it over, because this holds your rotor on. And then these are new hardware. Here's your new axle bolt. So we'll get this put back in, and I'll be back.